Now in the next exercise we have to compléter avec, près, loin. Now these two words are new words, loin and près. So we are going to fill in with either of these words or plus, moins, aussi. So you know the meaning of these three words. So now loin means far and près means near. Okay, just remember those two words. Now the info they have given us is Paris to Marseille is the distance is 800 kilometers. So Paris to Marseille 800 kilometers. Paris to Nice is 1000 kilometers. Montpellier to Paris is 800 kilometers and Lille to Paris is 200 kilometers. So now they have given us the distance between some places. So distance between Paris and 4 other cities. So now we are going to say which of these cities is near and which is far. So the sentences given are, first, Marseille est à 800 km de Paris. So they say Marseille is at 800 kilometers from Paris. Now the next sentence, Nice est plus. So they have given us plus. So if you see Nice, the distance is 1000 kilometers, which is definitely greater than 800. So it is far, it is more far. So the word for far is loin. Plus loin. The next sentence, Montpellier est dash loin. So here they have given us loin and they are asking you to compare. Now Montpellier, the distance is 800 kilometers. It is the same as the distance from Paris to Marseille. So the word we use is aussi. Aussi loin. And finally the last sentence, Lille est plus dash. Now this city, Lille to Paris, the distance is 200 kilometers, which is definitely very less compared to the distance from Paris to Marseille. So it is more, you can't say far. If they had given the word moins here, then you can say loin, less far. But they have given the word plus. So more, near, près. Plus, près. So this is how you write. So if the word given was moins, you would use the word loin. Because similarly here, if they give the word moins here, instead of plus, if they give moins, you will write près. So this is how we compare, and you have learnt 2 new words in this exercise. So remember these 2 words.